Want to delete a story on TikTok? Here's how. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. If you currently have an active story, you'll see a story ring around your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture to open your TikTok story. Once the story starts playing, tap the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select Delete from the menu. TikTok will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the story. Tap Delete again to confirm, and your story will be permanently removed from your TikTok account. If you've posted multiple stories, you'll need to open each one individually and repeat the same process. Keep in mind that once a story is deleted, it can't be restored, so make sure you want to remove it before confirming. And that's it. That's how to delete a TikTok story using the latest version of the TikTok app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips, social media tricks, and step-by-step tutorials.